PrimeLink.net is what we're talking about today, and I'm super excited, guys. This project is phenomenal, all right? I'm excited to get in, so let's go straight there. Guys, here we are on PrimeLink. It's prime-link.net. Now, this is an incredible, powerful program that I have to tell you about. So what exactly is PrimeLink? The main focus here, look at this. I can post my long URL in here, okay? And it will shorten it to a short one. You can see prime-link.net. Imagine that had, for example, like some URLs, that, and then it's got a question mark, and then that. Okay, if that's your URL for your website, you simply cut it, put it in here, press shorten, and you will go through the steps of what they do, but we'll touch on that very soon. Now, one short link, infinite possibilities. A short link is a powerful marketing tool when you use it carefully. It's not just a link, but a medium between your customer and their destination. So a short link allows you to collect so much data about your customers and their behaviors. What do they use? Smart targeting. Target your customer to increase your reach and redirect them to a relevant page. Add a pixel to retarget them in your social media and campaign to capture them. Now they use in-depth analysis, okay? Share your links to your network and measure data to optimize your marketing campaign's performance, reach an audience that fits your needs, and a digital experience. So using various powerful tools, increasing conversation and provide a non-intrusive experience to your customers without disengaging them. It is perfect for sales and marketing, so you can understand your users and customers, which will help you increase your conversation. The systems will allow you to track everything, whether it's the amount of clicks or the country of the referrer. The data is there for you to analyze it, okay? They got redirection tools, powerful statistics, beautiful. You can see that they tried to make an Elon Musk one here, right? It's really, really cool. They have powerful tools that work. That's the key. The product lets you target your users to better understand their behavior and provide them a better overall experience through smart retargeting. They actually provide you many powerful tools to reach them better, like link management, privacy control, powerful dashboard. First of all, just the way they've laid out this website is incredible. It's so easy and user-friendly. QR codes taking over the world, all right? Easy to use, dynamic and customizable QR codes for your marketing campaigns. Analyze statistics and optimize your marketing strategy and increase the engagement that you get. Now you can see they got Instagram, TikTok, anything you want a QR code for your website, you can have, okay? So use this to optimize your marketing strategy. Understand that your users and customers will help you increase your conversation. The system allows you to track everything, whether it's the amount of clicks, the country of the referrer, the data is there for you to analyze it. All you gotta do is click get started, okay? More features than you ever asked for. Custom landing page. I know that's something that I was desperate to get when I started my website. Create a custom landing page to promote your product or service on the forefront and engage the user in your marketing campaign. CTA overlay, so use an overlay tool to display unobtrusive notifications, polls, or even a contract on a target website. Great for campaigns, right? Event tracking. Add your custom pixel providers from such as Facebook, track events right when they are happening. Team management, invite your team members and assign them specific privileges to manage links, bundles, pages, and other features. Branded domain names, easily add your own domain name for your links and take control of your brand name and your users' trust. Robust APIs, so use of powerful API to build custom applications or extend your application with our powerful tools. Now, what integrations do they have? So you can connect with powerful tools and boost your productivity. Okay, click get started to get any of these integrations. You can see some of the popular ones. We've got WordPress, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Polkadot, Twitter, Snapchat, like everything on here, Pinterest, okay? These are incredible integration tools that you can have going on here. Powering 4+ links, serving no+ clicks, and trusted by 4+ happy customers, okay? It's incredible, guys. You're marketing with confidence. Now, here's the best bit. I'm gonna show you the actual dashboard, okay? Because as you know, I've had to get this myself. This tool is incredible. So let's go into the dashboard and have a look. So once you're in, guys, this is what it looks like, okay? I've just got in here and I've started having a look around. It's incredible. That's why I want to make this video today. But first of all, on the dashboard, you've got all your links that you're going to have, your clicks. You can obviously paste your long link and shorten them in here. Real easy. Okay. And your recent clicks. Let's see what happens when I paste the link in here like this. Pasted that long link that I make and press shorten. Okay. Look at this already. It makes me a QR code that I can download. It's made me a shorter link, super easy, and I can put it straight Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Discord, okay? So that's easy. It's already done that for me within seconds, so you can post any link in there and get that shorted. Now for your bio page, okay? You can make yourself a bio page, create it in here. Just click create bio up at the top right. This is for Snapchat, for example. Okay, example, George's page, and you can add the links and content on there. Now, QR codes, you can obviously keep your QR codes that it automatically makes you with the short links, or you can get your own. So for Twitter, let's put that. I'm making this one for Twitter. I want it to say, welcome to my Twitter. Colors, you can change on there anything you want. Okay, let's change it to red. Foreground, change it. This isn't going to be a very nice looking QR code, guys, but you could do it and then generate QR, all right, once you've got all the things in there. Look at that. There's my red and blue QR code done. Welcome to my Twitter, and it'll scan my Twitter. Super easy. Now, statistics, this will tell you everything that's going on in your dashboard, how many links you've got, how many clicks you've done, whereabouts in the world you've got. These are top countries. Okay, you've got your channels on there as well for when you want to set a channel on, for example, your YouTube and things like that, okay? And then you've got your management, so your link management. So this is my first link that I've made. Okay, you can obviously delete it, do what you need to do, add it to a campaign, export it, use it multiple times in different ways. Okay, once that you've archived will go in here. Your expired links, if they've ran out, will go in here. Campaign. So if you want to create a campaign, it's probably one of the most important parts. Okay, choose your campaign. George is running for president. Okay, your rotator slug if you want one. Google and access and create that campaign. Okay, once you've created it, it's here. You got to make it active. Okay, just go into these dots here. Choose what you want to do, add the links to it, choose which one you're going to do. You can see my links here and create that campaign. Super, super easy, guys, all right? You've got custom splash. So if you want to create a custom splash, come over here, type it in. So George's new barbecue, okay? Put your link to the product. So www.georgesbarbecue.com, whatever it says. Put the amount of counter you want in there, the custom title. So £10, for example, 10 off. Okay, I'm obviously doing this for an example. Put them in there, upload a banner of your file of the chosen one, okay, and just create. Now it'll create it for you. Obviously I need a valid URL, but that'll create your splash and it will go into the custom splash site. Now the CTA overlay, same again. Now guys, have you noticed how easy this is? It's simple. Click of a button shows you what to do. The CTA overlay, you've got the contact, poll, message, newsletter, image, and coupon, okay? Create all of them yourself. Simple, easy, just click one button and you can create it, put in the details. It's very user friendly and you'll have your CTA overlay. Tracking pixels on here, you can add a pixel as well to track it. Same, just go to whichever one you want to do. Twitter, Quora, Pinterest, Bing, whatever it is, your Shopify campaign, and put your pixel tag in there. Your branded domains, okay, so if you want to add a domain to redirect it, you can put them in here as well. You can add player members to your team if you've got the full package. We'll talk about the pricing very soon, okay? If you want to add your team to it, you can, just going through all of these here, and your tools and integrations. So guys, that's the main part of this. It's incredible. That's what the dashboard looks like in detail. Now let's talk about the pricing. This pricing is incredible. Okay, so this is a lifetime package. As always, the lifetime basic is $59. All you got to do is click on there. Of course, I have the pro, as you can see right now. But if you wanted to just get the lifetime basic, you can get it for $59. That gets you 1,500 short links, unlimited link clicks, data retention, but there's some things that you are not getting. Now, it's still great if you're just going for the basic package, but if you want to go for the lifetime pro like I have, unlimited short links, unlimited links, you get custom analysis, geo-targeting, device targeting, language targeting, unlimited everything you can see on here, okay? That's why I went for the pro, because I didn't want to lose things like multiple domains, custom parameters, importing links. It's incredibly cheap. $99, all right? They're transparent pricing for everyone. Everyone knows what they're going to pay. There isn't any special deals. Lifetime pricing. I paid $99 for the pro, and I am very, very happy with the service I've got. Guys, there we go. I hope you enjoyed it, okay? PrimeLink is an incredible program. As soon as I was introduced to it, I had to get the lifetime pro. I hope you do too. Let me know in the comments if you do. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you next time.